19:25. It's a moment of truth. We finally got the hydraulic pump to work. Well, we're gonna see if it works. So we've officially connected everything. Well, let's just pump it up.
Yeah.
All right, so electricity is 110. We got brand new ISO 46 hydraulic fluid. It's 2 gallons, and it's a little bit, it's like tiny bit still in here, but we're wondering if it's going to fill up this reservoir here. This could be still empty, so that might go down. And so we left this pump horizontal, but it'll probably work vertical too. So we're going to try it horizontal first. And so this is either release or this is power, one of those. So go for it.
Good.
Me?
Yeah.
You do it. Hey, dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, something's working. Oh, sick. It's working. It's alive. Oh my God. It's been like a whole year. And the pump's going down. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Wow. And then there's a mechanical thing right here. Wow, it really works. So now for us to go down, we would have to hold this stick somehow like that, and then we need to get some weight up here. All right, drop me down, Scotty. Oh, does it go down?
Not enough weight. It's going down.
Oh, it's going. It's just I'm not a car. Yay, it works. It really works. Miracle. Miracle. Oh, there's a little thing that you can control here so it doesn't go in. It's kind of rusted, so I have to hold it for now. Oh, there it is. It's moving. Okay. So I just have to lift this thing the other way. It becomes like a cam. And now it won't get caught in there. Let's give it some more lubrication, 'cause you're working. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I can't hide it. Woohoo! Oh.
Lubrication on the piston part was important.
Where?
For it to go down smoothly.
Oh, do it again?
Yeah, we'll do it again.
Lubricate it now?
No. I just said that on the shaft of the piston, lubricating that is probably more important for it to go down smoothly.
Oh, got it. Got it. Woo!
That's fast.
Oh yeah, landing time. Okay, 3, 2, 1, bring me up, Scotty. Oh, how's the oil? It just goes up and down by itself?
Yeah.
Oh, so we're a perfect that's a 2-gallon unit then. Whoa. Wow. It's called Western Hoist Inc. Capacity 6,000 pounds. Model TC25. Wow. And that's how much oil comes down. So horizontal works well?
Works well.
All right.
Going down.
Now we're trying to go down. we're stuck? No. Oh yeah, you're right. What did I do with that lubrication thing? Let me lube it one more time. Woohoo! All this before the kids get out of school. We can lift all our kids up all at once. Give them a boost in life. Wow.
It's a little slow. Maybe.
I'm sure if I'm a 4,000 pound car, it would be much different.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. We can lift up cars way faster now. All right, success. Knuckle time. Booyah! Thanks for watching. Risker is having a good day.